It often happens that we go to use our screen and it doesn't scroll, it's not working. If that's your case and it's frozen or the touchscreen isn't working, today we're going to explain step by step how you can fix this problem. It's a method without needing to take it to a technician. You'll do it yourself with a few simple steps that we'll explain here. In this video tutorial, what are we going to do? Well, with all that said, what we're going to do is the following. We're going to turn off the screen, and then we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. About 10 seconds, and wait for it to restart. If it doesn't restart, we'll try the second option. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Don't touch any other buttons. This will perform a forced restart to eliminate any errors your phone might have. These errors can sometimes cause the phone to freeze, or they can occur due to pressure from being in your pocket or simply being left on a table. These errors often work with this step, which I'll explain how to repair your phone screen. If the touch screen isn't working, we'll perform this forced restart. Here's the amazing result. Once your phone restarts, we'll check if it's working. Sometimes the phone might be damaged if it's dropped. No, the solution is to change or replace the screen. But if you happen to have if it's not a screen problem, this video tutorial should work for you. Let's see. Let's wait for it to restart. After it restarts, let's see if our method, our video tutorial, is working. We'll load all these applications. Fully loaded, it should take us directly to the home screen. This sometimes happens when these applications install and update. Let's see. Let's wait here. Please be patient. If our video works for you, we always recommend leaving a comment, liking it, and sharing it so we can reach more people. And always try to watch step-by-step tutorial to the end, as this would help us improve our channel's ranking. Let's see if it worked. It didn't work. It seems like it didn't work, or maybe it did. Let's see, we turn it off, we turn it on. Let's see, and as you can see, it should be working.